Hi everyone, how are you? Today I am going to show how to crochet a very simple leaf for your crochet decorations. Let's start from slip knot. Then do numbers of 8 chains. One half double crochet in second chain from the hook. For that, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops at once. Go to the next chain, in that 1 double crochet. For that, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull up a loops, again yarn over and pull through last 2 loops. Go to the next chain, in that 1 double crochet. Into the next, 1 double crochet. Now you have 3 more chains, 1 half double crochet in next. One single crochet in next, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now very last stitch, in that slip stitch only. Now we finished half a leaf. After the slip stitch, chain 1 and flip your work. Now work back across the other side of this. 1 slip stitch into the first stitch. And next 1 single crochet. One half double crochet in next. One double crochet in next each 3 stitches. One half double crochet in last stitch. Slip stitch in same stitch. Now we have done. You can cut the yarn with small tail, weave the ends, leaf is ready. You can set with any crochet flower. In this video, I am going to show you how to crochet a very simple and easy flower. First of all, we will put a slip knot. Then chain 6. Join with slip stitch first chain and last chain to create a magic ring. Now chain 3. One double crochet into the magic circle. Two more double crochet into the magic circle. Now chain 3. Slip stitch into the magic circle. Now first petal is done. 4 more petals to go. Repeat the same. Chain 3. One double crochet in magic ring. Two more double crochet in magic circle. Now for the petal 2, chain 3. One double crochet 3 times and chain 3. Now slip stitch into magic circle. Repeat this until you will have total 5 petals. Now I am doing third petal, chain 3. One double crochet, stitch 3 times in magic circle. Now we finish chain 3, double crochet 3 times. Now to finish the petal, chain 3. Slip stitch in magic circle. Chain 3. One double crochet in magic circle. Two more double crochet into magic circle. Chain 3 and slip stitch into magic circle. Fourth petal done. This is the last petal. Chain 3. 3 double crochet into magic circle. Now chain 3. Slip stitch in magic circle, cut the yarn, hide the ends. Flower is ready.